Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to convert your HTML file into PDF using Puppeteer library inside Node.js. So I've written this script here which actually takes your index.html file which can contain CSS code as well. So it actually looks like if you open this file in the browser, it actually is a login form. It looks something like this. And now I will just show you the script, which when I run the script right here, it actually converts your HTML to PDF, and you will see this message and you will see this PDF file being created in the same directory, and you can see Puppeteer actually converts your HTML with CSS into PDF. So I will show you step by step. I will write the script and explain to you how it is done. So first of all, we require the file system module, so we require this module, and then we also require the Puppeteer module, and then we write a simple async function, and inside this function we actually open the browser using this Puppeteer. It actually contains this launch function. We open the launch using this launch function. After that we go to a page, and for going to the page we use this function here, browser.newPage. It will open a new page in the browser automatically using this Puppeteer library. After opening the page here, we will convert all the HTML. So we will read the HTML file here by using the file system module, by using this function read file sync. And after that, here we will pass the file name which is present in the same directory, index.html, and we will be reading this inside UTF-8 encoding type, and then we will basically set the page content by using this function page.setContent is equal to HTML. So we are using this function here to set the HTML. After that, we just need to convert this HTML into PDF. So we'll say that page.pdf, it contains this function, and here we specify the path here wherever we need to save this PDF file. So we simply say output.pdf, and then here the second option we specify the format, so A4 size, the size, and then we simply close the browser by using the close function, and then we simply say the notification in the console log message PDF generated successfully. So this is actually the step-by-step process. And again, if I run the script, you will see it is saying that require is not a function. So just make sure that you put a semicolon here. Just do this and also write here as well. So just after that, just put a semicolon, and this will fix this error. And you will now see it will take some time, and then it will PDF generated successfully. So it actually converted that HTML document which contained CSS code as well to the PDF document. So in this easy way, guys, you can actually convert your HTML to PDF in Node.js. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.